Good morning, Instagram. So we're headed to Islamabad today, even though yesterday I told you guys that I won't be going to Islamabad, but Omar was convincing enough
Thank you for writing
to to take me to Islamabad. So we'll go dash to Islamabad, attend the car show, and be back in a couple of hours. अपनी हिफाजती पेटी बांध लें. So let's go.
नहीं वो तो खत्म हो गए थे.
ओहो.
लगा था ब्रेकफास्ट वाला. खंदा था बतेरा ना द बजर से वो.
I can't remember the last time I was on the motorway and not driving. This is so much fun. Not driving on the motorway.
Guard us, they guide us. There's medical. You need to speak English, like in emergencies. With a petition, and I just said.
He got corona. He got corona.
For quick work matches, freshly made
So we've arrived in Islamabad. No, it's not Ahmed. So I've been advised not to take the Miata because the crowd is very Centaurus-ish on the weekend. So not taking the Miata, just gonna go on our own and show you guys the cars. So we're starting off with the Jeeps section, the M38s and the GPWs, and then we've got the cut cars of Javed Ibrahim Sahab. Look, there are mosquitoes in the sky. We've got a Lambretta over here. Check out this type की replica. The Jaggy type is supposed to be one of the most beautiful cars ever made. And this is a really nicely done replica. Parked next to the pink mobile, of course. Someone's done a really amazing job with this Bentley Speed 8 replica from back in the day of the Bentley boys. Amazing stuff. That's why I love car shows. One new car turns up and it makes your day. Great job on this. And now we're in the camper aisle. 3 of them Westphalias, one is split window. This is the one I drove last week. I really need to find me one of these. If anyone has any leads, do share them with me. It's impossible to find one of these, but a Type 2 will do as well. This one is in its original paint, but I absolutely love the theme on this one. It was with us in Char Sabda, it was with us in Attack. The gun metallic with the silver and the red is so off-roadish. I mean, hot rodish. Harley boys are leaving.
उधर आ रहे हैं.
So I get to take Zishan's Beetle home, and then I'll drop it off at Nada's workshop, and then I'll head home with Umar to Peshawar. So let's go.
I'll see you in a bit, huh?
What happened to you? Where's all your hair?
My father shaved it.
So a short stop home later, off to drop Zishan's car at his place. Omar's going to pick me, and we're gonna have some food, and then we're gonna head back to Peshawar. So we've parked it at Nadir's with all these other juicy cars. There's a Rolls Royce, a couple of Mustangs over there, and some very rare and unique stuff. Really nice Porsche parked here. Haven't seen this here before.
The whole thing was I just learned it.
Just one time.
I would want to learn the
I should
piano.
play flute as well.
The piano is the main.
She said, look at the phone, your room number is. I just like the fact that we the only black people there when we go.
India को सेट कर रहा.